Today I'm making one of the best Chinese comfort food dishes ever, saucy egg wrapped eggplant. It soft, savory, packed with flavor, and seriously perfect with rice. The sauce is rich and super addictive, and the best part, it's really easy to make. Even if you've never cooked before, if you love Chinese food, you need to try this one. Start with 2 eggplants. Cut off the ends, slice them in half, then cut into thick slices, and finally into small chunks. Put the eggplant into a big bowl, add 1 spoon of salt and a splash of vinegar. Pour in enough water to cover everything and mix well. Let it soak for 10 minutes, so the eggplant stays nice and fresh. Looking next, chop 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper into small pieces. Then mince some garlic, ginger, and green onion. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk until smooth. After soaking, rinse the eggplant quickly and drain well. Pour the eggs over the eggplant and mix until every piece is coated. Now let us make the sauce. Mix together 1 spoon soybean paste, 1 spoon chili bean paste, 1 spoon chicken bouillon, 1 spoon sugar, 2 spoons soy sauce, and 1 bowl of water. Heat oil in a pan and add the eggplant mixture. Don't move it right away. Spread it out and let it cook slowly over low heat. Once the bottom turns golden, flip it over and cook the other side until golden and slightly crispy too. Then turn up the heat and stir. Fry everything, breaking the eggplant apart. Cook for about 3 minutes until it smells amazing and turns golden. Take it out and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Saute the garlic, ginger, and green onion until fragrant. Add the eggplant back in, then pour in the sauce. Give it a quick stir so every piece soaks up all that flavor. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 2 minutes until the eggplant gets super soft. Add the peppers and stir. Fry quickly. Finally, pour in a little cornstarch, slurry to thicken the sauce, and done. This dish is glossy, rich, savory, and absolutely incredible over rice. Easy Chinese, homemade food that tastes better than takeout. Save this recipe and try it later.